Where's all the creatures, Hesper? Where are they? Let's go. Let's go for a walk. Come on, Pooh. Come on, Poopers. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, come on. Do you want to go for a walk? Let's go. Hespi, do you think every little creature is sleeping? We're helping a little bee off the trail. I don't want it to get ran over. Go, little bee. Go, go, go. Why do you want to come back up here? You're gonna get ran over.
Botanical Alchemy Crystal Oil, an all-natural, all-organic elixir crafted with focus and intention. Organic cannabis-infused olive oil smooths fine lines and deeply moisturizes. Carrot seed oil shields from free radicals. Castor oil softens and helps prevent wrinkles, while clove herb infuses protective warmth. Scented with lavender, sweet orange, frankincense, cinnamon, and bergamot for a grounding yet uplifting aromatic experience. Perfect as a makeup remover, cleanser, moisturizer, body scrub base, soap enrichment, or for ritual and anointing work.